Hello, what's up, everyone? This is Sui Jobiadola. So, how can you make over $2,000 a month as a coach or a service provider? Okay, there are a lot of ways. Okay, I don't know the service you are providing clients, but if you don't have what you are providing clients, I want you to learn something like marketing, social media marketing, copywriting, a lot of them web development and stuff like that. So things that your clients are looking to get solved, the problems they're looking to get solved, okay, and they are willing to pay highly for. Okay, I'm not saying now a lot of people feel that high ticket stuff is more like graphic design. No, I don't have anything against graphic design, okay, but unless you are very big in a way, like you have a very big brand, that's when some people can pay you higher amount of money. So I advise you, if you are a coach or a service provider, to actually look at some of the stuff that people are actually looking for. You can do your research. You can join some Facebook groups in your niche. For example, if you want to solve, you want to teach people maybe how to create wealth, you can join some wealth stuff, maybe some online making stuff, and look at some of the challenges that these people are asking in the groups. Pile it up. You understand? You can also connect your Instagram. Instagram is also a place where you can see some of the questions in the comment sections, okay, and sometimes you can even relate with people. When I started my own business, I didn't really know what people are looking for. So what I did was to message a lot of people in my niche, different people, and I was asking them what they actually need. So as it was something I aligned with what I can do, you understand, I was able to help them. So better I was, with time I was understanding my market better. You understand? So if you don't actually have a skill and you don't have the time to learn a skill right now, or you don't want to learn a skill and improve, and you realize that the skill is not that profitable, you can actually reach out to people. Or you just present it in a way that, hey, what's up now? Just start a company like you're chatting with a friend. Don't make all these things complicated. What I feel what I see that most people, most entrepreneurs are making things complicated. You don't have to make it. Just ask your friend, your people on your Facebook. Ask them what are the stuff they're looking to get solved. Okay, what are the challenges, and ask them and see how whether you can provide a service for them. Don't just wait for people to come and meet you. Reach out to people, and they'll be willing to work with you if they have the money or the budget to extend. So that's how you can make over $2,000 a month. It is very, very, very helpful. So provide service, provide coaching, best way for you to make money online. Thank you.